Well, hi, everybody. I'm Lonnie Quinn. Here's what you had for your day today. A high temperature of 77 in Central Park. Look at Monticello, the hot spot on this map because a little peak of sun for you. Normal 76, so officially New York City 1 degree above the average. For tomorrow, right in line with the average temperature, 76 degrees. Clouds stick around, so I'm calling for a gray Friday out there. Not so much wet weather, though. I just don't think rain's going to be a big portion of this day. There's a slight chance for rain. I think it's more the clouds, and you're going to wait for those clouds to break up because look at the weekend. When's the last time we saw that around here? The sun will be back in some way, shape, or form for both Saturday and Sunday. 78 on Saturday, Sunday, 81 degrees. If it's calling to the ocean and you may want to get like another beach day in, why not, right? Just be careful in our waters, okay? A high surf advisory in effect with 5 to 12-foot waves for any of our surfside beaches. Now, that's until 8 p.m. Friday, officially from the National Weather Service. I'm willing to bet you that's going to be extended into the weekend because of Florence. And then also, you got to be careful of rip currents, a high risk out there. Through Friday again, it will be extended into Saturday. So our area, yeah, we had a few little showers out there. And again, there's a chance for a few showers out there tonight. I just don't think it's a big risk. The bigger story is what's down to our south. And look at that. Now our radar picture picks it up perfectly, close enough to shore, offshore now by less than 100 miles per hour. Problem with it is it's put the brakes on. It's put the brakes on big time. This is what we've been talking about with this storm. Take a look at how it works out, all right? This computer model working off of earlier data, earlier guidance where the storm was moving at around 15 miles per hour. It's down now to 5 miles per hour. Everything is slowed up. I don't think that landfall is going to be at 8:30 in the morning. I think it's going to be more like, say, that kind of reading, maybe say 12 noon or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Is it a Cat 2? Is it a Cat 1? The bigger threat with this storm is the duration, how long it's just going to last. I mean, they've been dealing with tropical storm conditions since Thursday afternoon. They will have it all day Friday, okay, into Saturday, into all day Saturday. This is Saturday night. Center circulation barely into South Carolina. Still heavy bands of rain in North Carolina, and eventually it sort of curves out of that area. I think maybe even dealing with some tropical storm conditions in South Carolina on Sunday. Really slow moving, putting a lot of rain down as it does so. 24.9 inches of rain possible for Wilmington, North Carolina. That would be a record for the state of North Carolina for a tropical system putting 24.9 inches of rain down. And the 17.9 in Myrtle Beach would be 1/10 shy. They picked up 18 inches even at one point in their history. But again, this is going to be boy, I think it's just going to be a terrible storm with all the storm surge and with all the flooding, inland flooding as well with all that rain. Not to mention the fact that you've got tropical storm winds that will last for days on end and land and soil that is saturated. Trees are going down, power's going out. Not a good situation. We will, however, get a good weekend out of our weather. And then by Tuesday, maybe into Wednesday of next week, that's where we could see some leftover Florence rain in our area. You can keep it right here for updates or watch us on TV, CBS2 or WLNY 1055.